whatever I did in my life, whether it was cinema, whether I got to the kind of love that I got it from this city, from this state, you know, Andhra, Telangana, every single individual. Always tell, I'm from Punjab, and I always tell all my fellow Punjabis, you know, I get more love from Andhra and Telangana than Punjab. So I think you are my family, and thank you so much for this. You know, when I was doing movies, I always used to say no to many Bollywood films and do films in, Telugu, in Tamil. So they always used to say, you are, you know, a Hindi speaking guy. You have come to Mumbai to do movies in Bollywood. Why are you working in Telugu cinema and saying no to Bollywood films? So I always used to tell them the kind of love that I get from you makes me bring back to you again and again. I think that's why today, when I share this moment with you all, I can tell you that I love you a lot from the bottom of my heart, and I'll do anything for all you. And I told Kiran Garu also that, you know, make me a part of his special journey. You know, when someone starts a journey of helping others, it's not easy to continue that momentum, because more and more people start coming to you for help, for their needs. It can only be achieved when a lot of people join hands together and they become a part of this mission. So Kiran Garu, I am a part of your mission. You know, on this Sankalp Divas, we all should take this Sankalp that this family has to go stronger. Anyone, anywhere in Andhra, Telangana, or whichever part of the world, they need any kind of help, they should know that this is one home which will always open their doors for them. Should we stop for this? So we love you, we love you. We have got the blessings from the God also. Allah has blessed us. You know, when I came from Punjab, I'm an engineer by profession. I'm an electronics engineer. I came from Punjab and I wanted to become an actor. Came to Mumbai, worked in a lot of languages, and I thought that being a part of cinema, getting famous, that people know you by your names, was something very, very special. So, okay, I achieved that, did a lot of films, got a lot of awards, became famous, but I really connected with myself during COVID days when a common man believes that you are a ray of hope and can change your life. That's the time I felt that, you know, if if you're leading a life where no one has any hope from you, you are leading an incomplete life. You have to be someone's hope. You have to do something for the society. Otherwise, it's not important how precious car you have, how big bungalow you have, and how much bank balance you have in your bank. Is not important. There's always one guy richer than you. You have to be someone's hope. And all I can say you, today when I see my brother Kiran and I see so much of love, all I can say is you are really a blessed soul. You know, the kind of goodness that you're doing, it's going to pass to the next generation, to your kids and to the next generation. So the idea is we need to carry this forward. We shouldn't stop this. It's not important that you have to be rich, famous to help others. You just need to give some time. All the people who have been working with me are not rich, they're not famous. They're working labor class, they're working in small factories, they're living in different villages. I haven't met them in UP, Bihar, Andhra, Telangana, lot of people. They just want to do good to the society, and slowly that family starts building.